Hello everyone in Cyberworld, it's Poorman with another project for you. Today, as you might be able to guess, we are going to show how I installed a couple ceiling fans. But before I get started, I have to make sure I make a disclaimer here. I'm not a licensed electrician. I'm not a professional at this. I've worked with electrical devices for IT side for a long time. I'm very comfortable with working with electrical apps. But I'm not going to show you step-by-step procedures on how to connect it. I just want to show you that it can be done easily, and if you're comfortable enough, the instructions that they provide with the devices that you purchase are really well written from what I've seen. And so you can do it, but if you're not comfortable, if you're not sure about it, hire an electrician to be safe. So let's see how I did these today.
Before starting, be sure to turn off the power at the circuit breaker. I began by removing the base cover, which houses the wires, and then I disconnected the remote receiver.
Remote control.
Once all the wires are disconnected, you lift the fan and pull it out from the opening. In this case, I was able to use the previous ceiling mount to hang the new fan base. The installation is a matter of connecting matching color wires to each other, which I first did to the remote receiver. Next, I connected the remaining wires, which power the fan and lights. Again, it's a matter of connecting matching colored wires. Once I connected all the wires, I wrapped the excess wires so they can be tucked inside the cover. Installing the fan blades is simple. Insert the blade in the slot and it should be lined up perfectly for the screws to be added. I added a faceplate, then connected and installed the LED lights. The last step of the installation is to screw on the light covers. Then I turned the power back on and tested the fans. Thumbs up for that. And there you have it, a couple more projects checked off my to-do list. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you again real soon.